Guys, welcome back to the channel. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So you can see we are on some live trade here. If you guys have noticed, for quite some time I've been entering into some positions before my immediately once I want to do some video. So the reason being that I want you guys to see the performance of how we trade, so you can come for account management. You can see so you can come for account management. So we have some target though, we have some little target though. So once we clock our target, we'll be going out. Our target is $500, so that's our target. So guys, don't forget, we do account management. We just clock at $500. We just clocked at $500 now. You can see just clocked at $500. So before I close, you can see we didn't make any money today, so this is what we are making. Okay, so I didn't close on time, so it's retracing. So we have to watch it, and then we'll see. Okay, I think I have to enter into another position here. Okay, you guys know that is volatility for you. You can't presume. So don't forget, we do account management, VIP signal, we do trading profit, we trade for you. We do account management, which is very, very important. If you don't know how to trade, we'll trade for you. You can see, if you don't know how to trade, we'll trade for you. We'll make massive profit for you. We'll share the profit. That is how we do, guys. That is how we do. So we're just watching on it. We're on some minus here, but no problem. One thing with trading is you have to have your target. If you don't have your target, you end up losing it. Okay, that's volatility for you. But that's not the problem, guys. That's not the problem. We are all here to watch and enjoy. So in less than no time, make sure you don't skip any part of this video. I'll be showing you guys the settings I'm using for this video and why I'm using that kind of setting, and why the setting has to be like that. Now, most of you will be asking, why didn't you enter into a buy position than you enter the sell? Okay, now the market though looks like a buy position, but before it's going to buy, it's going to give us a little bit of sell before it's going to buy. So that is why we entered into sell first. Okay, that's why we entered into sell. So if you watch, we just clocked our position. We just clocked into our mark of what we're looking at. You can see. So we've reached our target. We've hit our target. So you don't have to be greedy to say, let me stay a little bit. No. Once you trade with target, you see that you won't be losing your account. Oh, sorry. You see that you won't be losing your account. So we just came online on TikTok. We came online on Instagram. Okay, came online on Twitter. So check the link in the description. You're going to see all our social media handle. So just like I said, it's going to sell small freight buys, and that's exactly what it did. So follow us on social media, any of the social platform. Just check the link in the description. We're going to be keeping it in the link in the description, so that you can follow us up there and be satisfied. Okay, so don't forget, we teach you how to trade from scratch. We do complete mentorship for you. Complete mentorship, that is what we'll do for you. Complete. You know what, when you say complete mentorship, so that is what we'll be doing for you. A complete mentorship. We'll teach you how to trade and still fund you. That is the sweetest part of it. We'll teach you how to trade and still fund you. Okay, so let me quickly show you guys what we closed with, because we closed with some amount of money. Let me show you guys what we closed with. We closed with $778, which is $200 above what we talked, but the trade was fast running, so and we're cool. You can see this is target for the day, and that is what we just hit. So when you set a target for yourself for that day, you make sure you don't enter back the market again when you've set a target for yourself. So most of the things that make some people lose their money, lose everything, is when you hit your target and you say let it run small, you see that it's going to reverse from that point. You saw it when it happened there, but the reason why I left it was I've been in this market for long, so I know when I see a movement that is going to go back up. So now, if you watch here, you're gonna see a double bottom. You see a double bottom here. The double bottom is here and here. You can see that those are two double bottom. So, and the market is trying to struggle on going up. And then the time, we'll switch over to 30 minutes and let's see. The 30 minutes is having a reversed sell. So it's dangling within that position. So if you watch here, you see that there was a reversal here before this peak of going up, and then there came a reversal here for the peak of coming down. So this is 30 minutes. You remain on 30 minutes to trade. So if you don't understand very well what I'm talking about, my WhatsApp contact is in the description below for you to be able to message me. Okay, just like I told you guys before, it's going to sell a little, which is what it did here before it to buy. You can see it. So if you know how to trade very well, you know that the market most times can be volatile, senses volatility. And then do well to like and subscribe, because we give you guys fantastic and amazing offer. We give you guys something new, something creative, something you won't see anywhere. And we'll give you guys VIP strategies for free. We give you guys signals for free. So talking about free, check the link in the description. You're going to see our Telegram channel link. It's completely free. Nobody's asking for money. It's completely free. You join, you get your account funded. We most times do some live stream there where we do some talk show. You talk, you tell us your experience, and then we trade. It's quite fascinating. It's quite sweet though. It's quite interesting. So now for this trade here, you can see we've closed, so we're not really entering too much positions to say I want to take a little bit of profit. No, you don't do that. It's very, very bad. So to go in for your entry position, these are going for your entry positions here. Now if you watch here, let's use the moving average here. For example, once it touches here, it came down, so you scalp it. Yeah, you take that profit once it comes down. It depends on the amount of account you're using. So immediately it touches this line here again, it went back up. So the moving average should be your center of target. So you can see when it touches all the angles, it did what it did. It went to that direct position when it touches it. It went to that direct position. So that is one thing you should do, and one thing you should know also. And you don't joke with it, okay? You don't joke with my moving average. It's very, very fantastic. It's very, very fantastic. So let me quickly show you guys some settings, because I'll be doing some adjustment also. So on the first moving average, by changing the color here, I'll be using this one from now, and then the 20 here should be on 23, and then good. That is it. That should give you a perfect move. Guys. A very, very good perfect move. So on the moving average, the parameter should be period is 23, shift is 0, method is exponential, applies to is low. Okay, low. We'll be using close this time around. So if you want to know why we do it like that, most times check the link in the description, or you to get to my WhatsApp contact for you to be able to message me. So on the relative strength index here, We don't have much to edit, but then we'll be changing this to 20. Period is 20, apply to exclude. Style is 1 pixels of white. And then on the levels, just as you know, these are the normal levels that we've been using for quite some time. Please guys, give us a thumbs up, please. It's quite important for us. Like because we want to reach many other persons. So like, because we are giving out these services for free, we are not asking for money, unlike others who ask you for money, but we're giving you ours completely free. So the least you can do for us is to support us, subscribe to our channel, like, comment in the comment section, and that is it, guys. So on the envelopes, I have the period to be 70, but then we'll be changing to 50. Period is 50. Method, we should change the method to exponential now, not simple. Okay, so the period is 50, shift is 0, deviation is 0.900. Method is exponential, apply to exclude. Upper band is 4 pieces of blue, and lower band is 4 pixels of red. Okay, you can see we just made some readjustment now. So, and then the last but not the least, the last moving average, the period is 10, shift is 0, method is exponential, apply to price to should be open. I'm sorry, weighted close 4. Okay, and then the style is 4 pixels of black. Good. So we just finished, and this is how you make a fascinating trade. You make a fantastic trade here. So make sure you don't lose out, make sure you remain calm, and make sure you make excellent amount of money using our services. So don't forget, check the link in the description if you want any of our services, you want us to train you, to train your child, and so on. So we do a lot of training. We train almost close to 20 to 30 persons every single month. So don't be left behind, guys. While we'll be training you, if you want us to manage your account, no problem, but after we are done training you, we're going to fund you. So guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.